Alright, welcome. We are going to take a look now at how to enroll students into courses. So first, I'm going to log in here to the Twine SIS. And when enrolling students, I like to do this in groups. So I'm going to come here under Scheduling, and I'm going to choose Group Schedule. And the way this works is we're going to first find the students that we want to enroll in one or more courses. And I could do that just by looking at the list and picking and choosing names here out of the whole list. But a shortcut that I like a lot is from the search screen, I can actually filter this by grade level. So let's say I'm going to set up all of our third grade students in some classes today. When I search just for third grade, here they are. And that makes it real easy. I can select all 6 students and begin putting them in courses. Now when I come up here, I can begin choosing my courses, and when I click this, it pops up another window here. So, for example, all of my third graders, they're going to be together in our third grade math class. So here's third math, and there we go. So you can see we've got third grade math with Paul Grant teaching. And if I'd like, I can begin adding additional courses too. So for example, they have a homeroom class. We'll come in here and we'll find the homeroom again with there's Mr. Grant, and maybe we'll go ahead and we'll put them in a science class. You can see it's pretty easy. I could just come back here and do as many of these as I'd like. So here's K through 3 science. Alright, so I've got them signed up for 3 classes. And then the last thing that's important here is you'll notice that I've got a start date. Sometimes the system will choose a future date for me, which is okay, except that the kids won't show up on the rosters until the date that we pick. So I always like to pick the current date as our start date. And then here for the marking period, if these are full year courses, I can just leave this at full year. But if these courses, maybe the kids all change classes partway through, maybe we just want to schedule this as a fall class, whatever makes sense here. And when all this is set up the way I want it, I click Add Courses to selected students, and these 6 students have now been added to all 3 courses. So it's all pretty easy. If I want to see what that looks like, I can come here, back here under Scheduling, look at Student Schedule. And again, let's look at my third graders. So I'm going to find these kids. And here's the first one in that list. When I click on Danny's name, you'll see that Danny is enrolled, sure enough, in third grade math and K3 science and Paul Grant's homeroom. So we're in good shape here. This all seems to have worked. All right, thank you.